Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by measuring 1 cup basmati rice and placing it in a bowl. Rinse the rice under cold running water, stirring with your hand, until the water runs clear to remove surface starch. After rinsing, add 1 cup water to the bowl and soak the rice for 20 minutes. This reduces cooking time and helps grains stay separate. Drain the soaked rice completely in a fine mesh sieve and let it sit for 2 minutes so excess water evaporates before you start cooking. Heat a heavy pan over medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons unsalted butter until it foams. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds, and a 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. Allow the seeds to sizzle and toast for about 30 seconds to release aroma. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion and sauté until translucent and lightly golden, about 3 minutes, stirring to prevent burning. Optionally, add 2 tablespoons cashew halves. Transfer the drained rice into the pan with the tempered spices. Pour in 1½ cups water, add ½ teaspoon salt, and gently stir once to distribute. Bring to a rolling boil on medium-high, then reduce to the lowest heat, cover tightly, and simmer undisturbed for 12 minutes until water is absorbed and grains are tender. Remove from heat and let sit, covered, for 5 minutes. Fluff rice gently with a fork. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter for shine. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.